In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson Expression Home XP-420 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson Expression Home XP-420 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson XP-420. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down again, you want to expand the operating system section and select your version of Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and then select Go. Scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and download that item. And then open it up once it's on your system. It should be a verified publisher. Select Yes to proceed. And then once you've done that, it should allow you to begin with the installation process. And it says this file contains everything you need to use your Epson XP-420 series. Select OK. Follow along with the on-screen wizard to get your printer configured for your device preferences. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.